Hello and welcome to Orissa Post Live. This is Lopita presenting the news headlines of the day. The state unit of Bharatiya Janata Party has called for a 3-hour chakka jam on February 13 in Western Odisha in support of the local farmers. This was informed by former MLA Rabi Nayak at a press conference Thursday afternoon. In a tragic incident, an elderly couple was found dead inside a room Friday morning at their own residence in Anugul district. The deceased were residents of Sana Joroda village under Karnapur Panchayat in the district. They were identified as Dukhabandhu Sahu and his wife Panchali. Separate teams of the vigilance officials from Sambalpur division conducted simultaneous raids on the houses and ancestral properties of Deputy Forest Ranger Keshav Nayak in Bolangir district Thursday. Nayak presently works in the office of the Divisional Forest Officer in Bolangir town. The Odisha State Open University in Sambalpur is trying to provide education to people from all walks of life. As part of its fresh initiative, the university has launched a plan to educate jail inmates and staff on different courses on the Circle Jail premises here Thursday. The Supreme Court sought responses Friday from the Centre and Twitter India on a plea seeking a mechanism for regulating content and advertisements spreading hatred through fake news and instigative messages via bogus accounts. A bench of Chief Justice S.A. Bobde and Justices A.S. Bopanna and V. Ramasubramaniam issued notice to the Centre and Twitter Communication India Private Limited. It was done on the plea filed by one Vinit Goenka. The plea said there are hundreds of fake Twitter handles and bogus Facebook accounts in the names of eminent people and dignitaries. The Supreme Court has served a notice to the Andhra Pradesh government to file its response on a written petition filed by the Odisha government seeking initiation of contempt of court proceedings against the neighbouring state for violation of status quo in the disputed Kotia region of Koraput district. The Apex Court has fixed the next hearing in the matter on February 19, that is next Friday, said reports. Petrol and diesel prices soared to record highs Friday after rates were hiked for the fourth day in a row. Petrol price was increased by 31 paise per litre and diesel by 35 paise per litre according to a price notification of state-owned fuel retailers. This took petrol price to an all-time high of Rs 88.14 per litre in Delhi and to 94.64 in Mumbai. Diesel rates rose to Rs 78.38 per litre in the national capital and to an all-time high of Rs 85.32 in Mumbai. In 4 days, prices have gone up by Rs 1.21 per litre for petrol, while diesel has risen by Rs 1.25 per litre. That's all for today. To stay updated, stay with Orissa Post Live.